First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt congratulations on the holding of this Indian Ocean Conference in Perth, and thank the India Foundation, the Government of Australia, and the Government of India for the invitation to this conference. Australia is located at the intersection of two vast oceans, the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Perth is the largest city in Western Australia, facing the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean, the name of this conference, has long been an important trade route for Asia, the Pacific, the Middle East, Africa, the Europe. However, the international community is now becoming increasingly divided and confrontational. The Indian Ocean region is no exception under the rule of law. We need to make the Indian Ocean a place where diverse nations can coexist and co-prosper. With this in mind, Japan is promoting a free and open Indo-Pacific, or HOIP, as a common vision to lead the international community, including the Indo-Pacific region, toward cooperation. Now, we are standing at a turning point in history. In this context, what is required of us is to defend the fundamental principles of HOIP, namely freedom and the rule of law, to find universality in diverse values and to promote cooperation through dialogue. Under the new plan for a HOIP announced by Prime Minister Kishida during his visit to India last March, we set forth the 4 pillars of cooperation. Number 1, principles for peace and rules for prosperity. Number 2, addressing challenges in the Indo-Pacific way. Number 3, multi-layered connectivity. Number 4, extending efforts for security and safe use of the sea and the air. In particular, we are working on the development of legal infrastructure with countries of the Indo-Pacific region to expand our effort for security cooperation. In addition to Japan-India AXA, which is already in operation with India. RAA with Australia came into effect in August last year. Japan-Australia RAA will facilitate the implementation of cooperative activities between the forces of the two countries. Further promote bilateral security and defense cooperation, and it will enable Japan and Australia to further contribute to peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. Last but not least, Japan attaches great importance to enhancing relations with a wide range of partners in order to overcome various challenges facing the international community. Last year, as the presidency of the G7, we addressed various issues facing the international community together with a wide range of partners beyond the G7, in cooperation with India, the presidency of the G20. Japan will hold the ministerial interim meeting for Pacific Islands Leaders Meeting, or PALM, in the Pacific Island country of Fiji for the first time on the 12th of this month. The meeting will be built on the trust between Japan and the Pacific Island countries. We will exchange views on the priorities and challenges of the Pacific Island countries in preparation for the 10th Pacific Islands Leaders Meeting, and actively discuss future priority areas of cooperation. Under the principles of HOIP, we intend to continue to promote our partnership with countries in the Indo-Pacific region by promoting concrete cooperation through the new plan. Thank you for your time and your kind attention.